I do like you. And I won't lie to you. It's more than friendship.
Okay, I'll go through the files. Send Vikram in. Gayatri. Gayatri. Gayatri.
Rehan, sir is calling you.
Vikram, sir is calling you.
I am sorry.
Hey,
What?
you want to look like a granny at this age?
Gayatri, don't you know the deadline? The samples were supposed to be ready a week ago, and they're still not done.
Sir, this is not her fault. It is my fault. She had completed the work on time, sir. I'm sorry. Honestly, Gayatri, I'm not like the other guys. I don't want to play with your feelings and mine in the name of a relationship that lasts only a few months or years. Why walk on a path that has no destination at all?
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
I'm ready. I've thought a lot about it. And I have no one except you, Rehan. If this is the condition to be with you, then I accept it. I'm ready to become a Muslim.
Look, first of all, there is no condition. Secondly, that's not how it works. To be a Muslim, you don't need a condition or a reason. All you need is intention. To seek Allah, you need a sincere heart. Everything else is invalid. And it's not going to be easy. If you truly want to find Allah, you will have to sacrifice everything. This, and even what's within.
Understood.
Gayatri. What did you understand?
That I have to forget all the gods within me and replace it with Allah if I have to. Yes, you are right. I know it won't be easy, Rehan. But I can at least make an honest effort, right?
Are you serious?
Just tell me one thing. In this process, if both of us get married, have children, and I still fail, then?
Then in the eyes of Allah, neither our relationship will be pure, nor our children.
All right. This is no longer about you and me. This is between me and Allah. I have to find Allah, come what may. Only after that will I think about you. Tell me, when and where do I begin?
Congratulations. So officially, you're a Muslim now.
But Maulvi ji has told me about so many rituals and practices. How will I do it by myself?
There is a way. If you want, you can move in with me. I will minutely explain every little detail to you, and you can keep learning.
You mean a live-in relationship?
Like a training school. And my sister will also be there, so you don't need to worry at all. Gayatri?
Yeah, Rehan?
This is the Holy Quran. Listen, from today, your name will be Aisha.
The name too?
No, it's not necessary, but just for the society.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله
Aisha? Aisha?
Yes, coming. Sorry, it'll take some time.
Good night.
शब्बा खैर. Don't turn off the light.
What happened?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Sit. Listen, whenever you feel scared in life, whether it's the dark or any other difficulty, this is a verse. Ayatul Kursi. Just recite it with all your heart, and you will never feel afraid again.
What happened?
I never asked you to quit your job.
Allah Almighty says that a woman's role is to take care of the household. By not following His command, why should I open the path to hell for myself? Okay, listen.
Yeah?
I wanted to talk to you about the hijab.
Aisha, the day you feel that you have become a true Muslim, you can start wearing a hijab. Hi, one sec. Can you do me a favor, please? It's very simple. What is it? Look, do you see that girl? Yeah. Just pass from there and call out Gayatri, okay? That's it.
I just have to call out Gayatri?
Yes.
What if she...
No, there won't be any problem. Just go and call out Gayatri once.
I won't get into trouble, right?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Gayatri? Gayatri? Gayatri?
الله أكبر.
Subhanallah, you have learned everything in such a short time. Mashallah, she knows more about Islam than my wife does. By the way, you already had permission before. But now it's even better. Inshallah, with Allah's will, you can get married whenever you wish. I'll leave. Khuda Hafiz.
That's impressive. Salam alaikum, Mohtarma.
Walaikum assalam, Janab.
Honestly, I feel like getting married right away.
Have a little patience. First arrange the money for the meher, okay?
What? Listen. You sure you are ready for this?
Yes. I have completely changed.
Do I look nervous?
Rehan, everything will be fine. Have faith in Allah. Come on, you're getting late now.
Oh no, it's such an important meeting and I'm already
Rehan, why
late.
are you getting so worried?
Where's my file?
Oh, I left it on the bike. I'll go get it. I'm coming. You go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
Ya Allah, what happened? Rehan! 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 Who's there? Who's there? I'm asking who's there? I said who? जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक जागर राम दूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत